Namaste, ma'am. So, how are you doing today?
Hi Srinidhi, fine. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. So, you had a look on the all the periscope displays and everything?
Yes, I have been to some.
So, which one did you like the most?
Uh, I just went through art periscope and some math periscope.
Yes, ma'am.
And I love that AI
Yes,
thing,
computer.
Jupyter some
Huh.
regarding
So,
the coding.
yes, it's about Python
Yes,
and
by
everything.
Python and Jupyter not.
So, yes, did you like the way everything was presented, the projects?
Yeah, definitely. It's so nice, very presentable.
So just like that, the way we like presented it was the hands-on learning. Like
Yeah.
we don't just learn through the textbooks, but like through doing it, through
Yes.
presenting it.
Yes.
So could I ask you a few questions?
Yeah, sure.
So do you think that it is important for being able to present it or just the academics in it?
No, it's important to present it because while presenting it, we'll know everything, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the important thing in it? What is the principle regarding
Yes.
everything? We'll know and we'll keep our whole thing knowledge into it and we'll do.
Yes. So which subject did you like when you were young?
When I'm young, definitely science.
So you saw the science periscope over here?
No, I will go through.
Okay, sure. Take a look at that as well. And then coming back to the learning, we make sure to use it in our real life. Like we incorporate teamwork and then problem solving, real life skills so that it
Yes.
can help us.
Yes.
So, what is your take on that?
Definitely, it's a correct way of learning things. Actually, first we learn what is the proper thing, and again
Yes,
we
ma'am.
will go through it.
Hmm.
That is the real way of learning.
And then, okay, then should we have a rapid round then?
Yes.
So, this or that, which would you choose? Indoor games or outdoor sports?
Outdoor games.
Because you can play with your friends.
Yeah,
and
play
anything.
with our friends. Activity, physical activity, the vitamin D,
Yes.
everything.
Coming to quiet time or group work?
Group work.
So, you like projects
Yeah.
and everything.
So group work means we'll get the knowledge from other people, so
Yes.
we can inculcate in our work.
It's not just ours.
Yes.
So, what makes you happy when you look at all these projects and everything?
Definitely, like this is not the way we learn.
Yes, it is very different.
So it makes me happy that why like our kids are so fortunate to have this kind of learning. When we
Yeah,
are learning,
we're
just it's
very-
like just knowing, listening to the lesson, writing the notes down, and preparing for the exams. That's it. But now with the completely changed,
Yes,
learning
everything
through
is.
and doing it is a nice thing.
Okay, so what mindful habit did you like over here?
Okay, one thing I'll say: sitting and drinking water.
Because
That-
it really helps
Yeah.
in health benefits.
While even standing and drinking means we'll drink gulps and gulps of water.
Yes.
When we sit, no, we'll mindfully drink or sip
Take
water.
a sip and
Yeah.
by then. So it also helps with better digestion of the water.
Yes.
So you've seen changes in your child after
Yeah.
keeping here?
Yeah.
Okay then. Thank you very much for your
Yeah.
valuable
Thank you,
insights.
Srinidhi, for having
Thank
me.
you for your time.